In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Amazon Affiliate. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go down and open the browser that you're going to use to follow these tutorial steps. So in my case, as you can see here, I'm using Brave browser, but for you, of course, you can use other browsers such as Google Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Edge, Firefox. Any other browser could be possibly working for you, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you, right? Anyway, so all you need to do, of course, is just type Amazon Affiliate, then click at the first link or the first website. So of course this will actually be your home or your main screen if you actually sign in into your account. So of course, if you don't have an account, you'd like to go and create an account on Amazon Affiliate. And if you do, of course, all you need to do, just go and log into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So that's, as we said, this will actually be your home or your main screen after you sign in. And if you want to change your password, simply just go here and click at account settings. Of course, let's just wait until that loads, and of course from here all you need to do, you'll find here an account information. You'll find an option called change your password. So if you click on that, actually, as you can see, please click here to change your associate password on Amazon. The link will open a new window, so when you have finished updating your password, you can close that window to return to Associates Central. To add a new user to your account, you can click here, but we want to change our password, so we're gonna click here. So just click there, and as you can see, they will ask you actually to enter your password. For me, it's already there, and as you can see, I can actually edit my password if I click at edit my password. So I'm just gonna type my current password and my new password and re-entering my new password, and I'm going to be good to go after hitting the save changes. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.